Alright guys, back with a quick little mod. It's something that I had back in the day on my Trans Am WS6. Is really popular on the F-bodies, and I thought, well hell, I want to give this a try. So you buy this little thing, it's called the Smooth Lock. It comes black, gloss black. You can paint it your own color, it comes with instructions and stuff. And basically what I'm going to do is just cover up the keyhole. Just gonna position and make sure you clean it with rubbing alcohol. Get it nice and clean, and it comes just on a little sticky tab, so hopefully this works. And it just sticks in there. I'm gonna clean that out real quick again. Little paper towel in there. See some lint. Okay, and we're just gonna insert and position a little bit, and there, push it in, so let it stick. So it's not 100% perfect. You can kind of see around the edges a little bit, but it looks significantly better in my personal opinion. So real cheap too, like $7.50 shipped. So I'll put the link in the description below. Quick little mod. If there's any other mods that you want to see that I've done, I'm gonna eventually do a video on my new wheels. I got 275 9x5s in the front and 315s and 20x11 in the back. I went with Continental DWS 06, but yeah, we'll touch on that on a different video, but I think it looks good.